Here, let's go back.
Channel, this is Miss V here today. Today I have an invitation. You're invited to join me and the beautiful Karen Jeter in a challenge. And the rules are as follows. Number one is be subscribed to both Miss V and Karen Jeter's channel. And her channel is Everyday Living with Karen Jeter. I'll link her channel in the description box. If you're not familiar with her, go check her out. She has a beautiful channel. She just started out and she has great ideas on decorating. She has a beautiful home and she loves to share decorating ideas. And she's just a beautiful person. So go check her out. Tell her Miss V says hello. So that's number one. Be subscribed to both our channels. Number two, link both our channels and a link to the playlist in your description box. And number three is, I guess you're saying, Miss V, what is the challenge about? I'm glad you asked. Number three is we are going to host a pumpkins and candles tablescape. Yes, just create a tablescape, any type of tablescape that you would like that includes pumpkins and candles. That's number three. Number four is use the hashtag pumpkins, plural, and candles, plural. Pumpkins and candles, tablescape. Hashtag pumpkins and candles. What number was that? Be subscribed, link our channels, create the tablescape. Number four, use the hashtag. Number five is upload your video on October the 7th. 2019 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the last rule is let's just have fun. And that's it. That's the invitation. I hope to see all you guys there. If you're not familiar with Everyday Living with Karen Jeter, I'll link her channel in this description box on this video and you can go over and check her out. She has a beautiful channel. Her channel focuses on home decor. She gives you different tips on how to decorate your home, and she does hauls, and she's just a beautiful person. So if you go over and check her out, tell her Miss V is sending her some love. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. If you're planning on participating, let me know in the comment section. Just let me know, just comment, see you October the 7th, so I know that you plan to participate. So hopefully we'll have a good amount of participation. I thought pumpkins and candles was a great idea. The beautiful Karen loves pumpkins and the beautiful Miss V loves candles, so why not mesh the two? So I'll see you all on October the 7th 2019 with y'all beautiful tablescapes. And so as I always end my videos, Miss V is gonna always show you love, and I'm gonna help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Are y'all enjoying my fall outdoor vignette? These are all the DIYs, some of the DIYs I've done for fall. This is a pumpkin topiary I did, a dupe of the $25 topiary I seen at Big Lots. This is a dupe of the fall sign that you seen at Hobby Lobby. I think it was going for like $39.99. I created this for free. I had these items already. And this beautiful autumn scene is something I created as part of the DIY and decor challenge that's being hosted by DIY Mommy. So I created this autumn scene using Dollar Tree items. Yes, I'll link all these videos for these three DIYs in my description box. This was an inspirational video, and I'll link the inspirational video also. I'm not afraid to give credit where it's due. This was not my idea. I just recreated it. So this is it. So I hope to see you guys on October the 7th. Of course, I'll see you before then, but I would really like to see you on October the 7th. Have a nice day.